New this morning, we are getting a perspective from inside the federal Whipple building.
The new court documents are raising questions about conditions there where ICE is holding immigrant detainees. It's where we find our Barrett Leone live outside the Whipple building. Barrett, what's driving this?
Yeah, well, an immigration attorney is appealing to a federal judge asking for urgent aid to detainees inside the Whipple building here. Right now, that attorney believes that detainees do not have meaningful access to legal counsel, and she wants a judge to change that. Now, this is all coming from a sworn declaration filed in federal court within the last 24 hours. That attorney toured the ICE holding area here at the Whipple building over the weekend. She says she wanted to observe conditions and speak with some of the detainees about access to counsel and other related needs. Court documents say several men she spoke with told her they'd been arrested the day before and hadn't talked to an attorney. Another said he didn't even know who to call for legal help. In the court document, the space is described as having about 24 desks arranged in an oval, each with a phone. But actually using those phones isn't simple. The attorney says she tested one herself and claims callers sit through long prompts in multiple languages and punches in several numbers before they can even dial out. The attorney also describes seeing trash like food wrappers piled on cell floors. She also says she noted she didn't see handbooks explaining detainees' rights. We had reached out to DHS before these new documents came out and received a statement that read in part, quote, "Any claim that there are subprime conditions at ICE facilities are false. All detainees are provided with proper meals, water, medical treatment, and have opportunities to communicate with their family members and lawyers. All detainees receive full due process." We have reached out again since receiving this update. We're still waiting to hear back at this time. Now, that same court filing also details one woman's experience inside the Whipple building. The attorney describes her sleeping in freezing cell conditions without a blanket. She also was not able to connect with any legal help either. So we're going to break down some of those details laid out in the court document coming up in the next half hour.
Yeah, because that's a direct contradiction to what we're hearing from federal officials. Our Barrett Leone live outside the Whipple building. Barrett, thank you. And as we wait for news of a possible end to the ICE search, here's a look at how this all unfolded. This operation started on December 1st after Minnesota fraud cases and accusations came into the national spotlight. Fast forward to January 5th. The Trump administration sent 2,000 additional agents to the Twin Cities. Well, 2 days later, an ICE agent shot and killed Renee Good. And then on January 15th, an ICE officer shot a man in the leg. That was during an alleged shovel attack.
Well, on January 24th, Border Patrol agents shot and killed Alex Preddy. 2 days after that, we learned that Border Czar Tom Homan would take over the operation. Last Wednesday, Homan announced a drawdown of 700 federal agents, and now Governor Walz says the end of the operation could be in sight.
My hope that Mr. Homan goes out before Friday and announces that this thing is done. And they're bringing her down, and they're bringing her down in days.
Governor Walz says he spoke with Border Czar Tom Homan and President Trump's chief of staff, Susie Wiles, about the operation. The governor says he expects the surge to end in days, not weeks or months. Now, WCCO spoke with Minnesotans who called it a welcome update.
But as our Uba Ali reports, they say it's hard to believe until they actually see agents pack up and leave.
The register keeps ringing inside this Colombian-owned mercado in St. Paul.
Gracias a usted.
But the owner says he's been praying for better days.
We need peace in Minnesota. We see agents every day driving around in many neighborhoods.
Governor Tim Walz says that could be a thing of the past. This after a conversation with Border Czar Tom Homan and the president's chief of staff.
We are talking days, not weeks and months of this occupation.
Going back to pre-surge levels at 150 federal agents.
I'm going to remain hopeful at this moment, trusting but verifying.
If it was up to business owners,
Hopefully today. Yeah, but that cannot happen.
many in the community who have protested week after week say they aren't so quick to trust.
So far, we have not seen a reduction in any kind of the ICE activity.
I'll believe it when I see it.
CJ Gribenow is one of the protesters who lined the street just hours after the announcement of the potential end of Operation Metro Surge.
We're going to keep being out here until we see them gone from St. Paul.
Uba Ali, WCCO News.
And business owners say even when ICE activity ends, getting back to normal will take months. That is something the governor says he hopes to address during the upcoming legislative session. Coming up in our next half hour, small businesses are speaking out. They're calling for government help before they have to close their doors for good.
6:07 is your time. Let's check in at the live desk. Maria Lisignoli is joining us because you're following the search for Savannah Guthrie's mom, Nancy.
Right, and we have new developments just within the past few hours. Federal and local authorities say they're searching an Arizona home, but the man who had been detained in connection to the case is now released. This comes after the FBI released new images from security cameras showing a masked person outside of Nancy Guthrie's home the night she went missing. Now, the man spoke with reporters following his release this morning.
Stop moving. Like, what's your name? Carlos. And that's it. They put me in the cop car. I hope they get the suspect, because I'm not it. They better do their job and find the suspect that did it so they can clear my name.
Overnight, a senior Trump administration official said the White House is monitoring the situation in Tucson closely. The FBI and Pima County Sheriff are urging people with information to call their tip lines.
All right, Maria Lisignoli with that update from the live desk. Maria, thanks.